In this video, I'll explain you how copy trading works inside our VIP copy trading channel. As you can see in my screen, this is an account of our new VIP copy trader who had just joined 3 days ago. And today he was able to make a profit of $534 by copying our 3 trades, and 100% of our trades were profitable today. Similarly, if you see the yesterday result, 10 trades were made, 70% win rate, and the profit was $568. And if you see in all time, he was able to make $1,594 and the win rate was 78%. So if you want to join our VIP copy trading channel, then the link will be below this video. You can click on it and join our VIP copy trading channel. Now I'll explain you how actually VIP copy trading works. So for example, let's say you are in our VIP copy trading channel. There you will get a UID, a video, and some instructions to set up the copy trading. And once you receive all those things, then you can just click on log into your pocket option account and then click on social trading, and then you can just click on here and you click on this search. However, you can also copy all of these people, but there is one simple problem that you will face, and that may result into loss if you copy these random people, which I'll explain you after some time. But for now, just click on here and click on search, and in VIP copy trading channel you will get a UID which you need to paste at here, and you will see a name at here. This is not our ID, but I am showing you it as an example. So just click on it, and then you will see this kind of interface. You can just click on copy. Once you do this much, then you need to understand one important thing. We only make $200 per trade right now. If you see yesterday, we make $200 per trade. If you see today, we make $200 per trade only. We don't do up and down. If we need to increase or decrease our per trade amount, we announce it in our VIP copy trading channel. You can see it and do the setting as instructed in our VIP copy trading channel. But for now, let's say we are investing $200 per trade. So if you want to copy the 100% of our trade, then you can just put 100% at here. And in stop balance, you can remove it and only put the amount that you want to invest in our copy trading. Don't use this stop balance, because we have noticed that when this stop balance is used, some of our trades are not being copied in our VIP copy traders. That's why I would suggest you to not use this stop balance, and instead only put the balance that you want to risk to invest with our copy trading service. In minimum copy trade amount, you just put 1, and in max copy trade amount, you just put unlimited, because we only make $200 per trade, so you don't need to worry about this thing. And once everything is done, just click on confirm and you are good to go. You can now directly copy our $200 per trade. But if you want to just copy our 100, let's say $100 per trade. So if we are investing $200 per trade and you just want to copy $100 per trade, then just make it 50%, and you will only copy $100 per trade if we make $200 per trade. And let's say your account is totally small and you just want to copy $2 per trade, then when we invest $200 per trade, then you can put this 1% at here, and you will only copy $2 per trade. Similarly, if you want to copy $4 per trade, then just make it 2% and you will start to copy $4 per trade if we invest $200 per trade. It's as simple as this. Now, once you do this much, then just click on confirm and you will start to copy our trade. Now let's say what is the problem that you face when you copy these random people? Let's take this user as an example. So here you can see our max investment amount is $1,000 and minimum trade amount is $8. So that means if she made 5 profitable trades of $8 and you copied that, then you made too much low amount of profit, right? And she made if she made one loss of $1,000, then it doesn't matter, you are in loss. However, her win rate is going to be always higher. So you may get confused if you go with random people to copy the trades. So now I'll see you inside my VIP copy trading channel.